Okay, so the instructional technology mini project that I decided to do was over TikTok. So TikTok is a popular social media video app, and students will be tasked with finding a challenging math problem or helpful math strategy on the app, and then coming up with a solution or application for it. So this can be done either individually or with partners, but students will be given the choice to work with a partner or do it individually. So the grade level will it works for any secondary grade level and really any content area as well. I chose mine to be math, but TikTok has a lot of educational videos, and this project can really be utilized in any content area. So these are a couple math standards that I found for this project. And then students will look for school-appropriate math-related video online prior to coming to class. And then in class, they will work with their partner or individually to come up with a solution or application for their video. So if it's a math problem, then they'll find a solution, and their solution should include steps of solving and why that solution is correct. And then if they find a helpful math tip or trick, then they should do an application. And this should include how it works and whether or not it works in all cases. And then finally, they will create a presentation to share with their classmates. So after students have worked with their partner or individually to find a video and a solution or application, they will create a presentation to share with the class. So this will help me to evaluate how well they understood the problem or strategy. And then if they find any really helpful math tips or tricks, then we can show them around the classroom or around the school. So this is my example that I found. So this would be for adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators. So they will first draw a butterfly around the numbers, and then they will cross multiply and write down their answers. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then he writes the 8 right above there, and then 5 times 1 is 5, so he writes the 5 up there, and then he adds and subtracts the numerators and multiplies the denominators to get the answer. Oops. So the answer of 2/5 minus 1/4 would be 3/20. So students would have to figure out these steps first, and then they would have to find out if it works in all cases or just for this case. And then this would be a helpful one that we could post around the classroom or around the school, for students to really know how to add or subtract fractions with different denominators. So this is a really helpful project, and I think students would be interested in it because it relates to them and they're able to use something that they can relate to, which is TikTok, for this project.